Grow and glow with Alaa!
L. This is big L, and this is small l. Let's say the sound together. L, L. Excellent. L is for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Can you say lion? LL, lion. Well done.
Yay!
M. This is big M, and this is small m. Let's say the sound together. Ma, ma. Excellent. M is for monkey. The monkey loves to swing from tree to tree. Can you say monkey? Ma, ma. Monkey. Well done.
Grow and glow with Alaa! Yay!
If you loved the story and want to hear more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you had as much fun as I did, tap the bell so you'll always know when the next story is ready.
Yay!